What's up, everybody? Second time so far filming this. First time my phone camcorder was on a stupid effect, which kind of made me mad, and I hope you guys could not hear that. It kind of ruins my video. But I got something in the mail today. I was too impatient to wait for an unboxing. To tell you I ordered some Zippos. It is a Zippo, as you can hear. It's explosive. It's orange matte, and it's explosive devices. It has reference to explosive devices. I just love this lighter. I filled it already. It's just beast. It must be my favorite. No, I can't say my favorite. Actually, yeah, it's my favorite Zippo lighter so far, except for my gold one. That's the one, the best. I have a freaking gold Zippo. The thing's beast as all get out, but here it is. Has a little bomb that's going off across the whole lighter. Perfect for the 4th of July. As you can see, I have lit it. Oh, shoot. Forgot to have a fan blowing. It's kind of blowing the flame straight towards us. This actually proves it. Zippo's lighters are windproof. But filled it brand new. Just took off the stickers and everything on the back and everything today. But that's my Zippo there. Frickin' G, man. Hope that can focus. It says L Zippo 2010 or 10. Bradford, Pennsylvania, made in USA. Proves this is the best patriotic thing ever. Not patriotic unless you have a Zippo lighter. Well, peace, everybody.